Hey guys, R-Teck here again, and this is the Huawei P20 Lite. Now we're pretty much getting closer to the date of the unveiling of the whole Huawei family, the P20 Pro, the P20 Plus, and here is the P20 Lite. Now the date of this event, if you don't know, is March 27 in Paris, France. Now, unveiling of the Huawei P20 Lite shows that it has a notch-like display, rumored to be about 6 inches LCD, and most likely this notch will house two cameras this time, speakers, and other sensors. So Huawei has pretty much added another camera at the front of the phone. Not sure what that's for, and you'll pretty much see it in the teaser I release soon. And also you will have the whole phone made of glass this year. They're pretty much switching up material so it can actually have wireless charging and other stuff that you pretty much see is this dual camera setup at the back of the phone, one being f1.6 and f2.4 in aperture, and it's rumored to go super slow-mo at 960 fps. And we're also pretty much expecting a monochrome sensor as well on these phones. Not sure if it's gonna just be on the P20 Pro, but let's see how the P20 Lite hangs up. And then you have a fingerprint sensor at the back. So these Huawei phones are pretty much rumored to have 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gig base storage, and come in multiple colors. As you're pretty much seeing, this P20 Lite comes in black. We've seen it in blue and white as well. Now this is pretty much it for the P20 Lite, guys. Let me know your initial thoughts about it, and I'll keep you guys updates as the leaks are pretty much raining on these Huawei phones. And I'll see you guys in the next one. This is R-Teck. Peace.